Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Teba. Okay, so what we were going to, we're discussing the surface areas and volumes, right? So let's have a quiz on what topic. I mean, what topic shall we have a quiz today?
Again, surface area.
What about others?
I'm okay with anything, sir.
Sir, can we have one like nothing?
Can we have a nothing?
No, sir, because the chapter which I am having is not for everyone, so I thought it's not.
Okay, which chapter you want me to conduct? The Kaji.
Sir, lines and angles.
The chapter which is coming
No,
in my
term two.
exams tomorrow, sir. It is similarity tomorrow in my exams. So I thought to take that, but everyone don't know that chapter.
Yeah, that chapter, I think, it is not for everyone.
Yeah.
No problem. And see, we'll be having a quiz on the topic. I mean, the term two topics, not other topics.
So circles.
What about? Yeah, you suggest the topics. Like you can say the topics. Will just take majority. No problem. Yes.
Sir, sorry, sir, I joined late, sir, because the WhatsApp website is
Got
updated. I wasn't
upgraded.
able
Yeah,
to-
sir. That's what I said to
WhatsApp got
you. I
upgraded.
was
Even you are.
unable to find
They
the.
updated the app, so they need
Yeah, it is at the
login.
bottom. It is at
Yes,
the
sir.
bottom.
They had
Yeah,
like new
I
UI.
was unable to find the joint class.
Yeah, it was
It took
left.
5
It is the
minutes to
left
search.
corner.
Yeah, it's a left bottom.
Yeah,
So
sir, it got
Yeah, it
updated.
took 10
It got
minutes. I
updated.
mean 5 minutes to search.
Yeah, it got updated. It is in the left bottom, so we can find from there. So yeah. So what topic? See, one saying circle, one says surface areas and volumes, and one says similarity. And tell me which topic you want me to conduct on. Why? Because surface areas, I feel that let's have some other topic. Why? Because like surface areas and volumes we had already. Okay, but still, if you want me to go with that, we'll go. And circle is also fine. So yeah, I'll take majority. Everyone just tell me the topic names. Aditi, Asuri, Devasri, Aditya, everyone. Okay, Akshit. What about Shreya?
Sir, anything is fine, sir.
So circles I don't have in my portion, so that's why.
Okay. Oh, okay, what about Kavya?
So, circles.
Circles. What about Aditya, Pranav, Modita?
Sir, anything is fine for me.
Pranav, Modita. Yes, everyone's priority I need here. So Modita, Pranav, tell me, Devasri, Aditya.
For me, anything is fine.
So for you, anything is fine, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir, for me also
Yeah,
anything
for
is
me
fine.
also anything fun.
Right.
And sir, can we revise coordinate geometry after all these quizzes and all, sir?
Okay, is it in your term to syllabus?
Huh? Yes,
No, sir. We don't have it in term.
No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Why, Piyush, not Piyush, Bhargav, do you have any exam on that?
No, sir, it's like I'm a little bit weak in that concept, sir. So
Okay. Yeah, no problem. We'll see. We'll discuss. See, everyone try to understand what I'm trying to say here. We'll discuss whatever the extra topics we have. We'll discuss in what do you call that? In the extra classes, whatever the extra class we take on that particular day, you can clarify Bhargav because if I like that chapter, everyone might not be having doubt. So what we do is whenever you have extra class, we can just voice over on that so that we can take it immediately. That is not a big deal at all. It's a very simple topic, coordinate geometry. It's a very simple topic. plotting the coordinates in the axis. It's not a big deal. We'll
Sir,
just
not about that, sir. Like in the algorithm, sir. Sir, and also I'm not able to find the lecture notes, sir. That's why I'm asking you
you're
whether
not
we can
finding
revise or not.
lecture
Sir,
notes.
I cannot find the lecture notes, sir.
Lecture
I'm not
notes.
able to open them.
Oh, is it so? Okay, okay. No problem, no problem. Okay, you see, Bhargav, definitely we'll discuss it in the extra class. So very soon, probably we'll be having. We'll just discuss on that extra class. Okay, okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. What about others? Okay, then. Okay, so shall we have two quizzes? Like we'll have one circles and one more on surface areas and volumes. Fine. What do you say?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's finish it up fast. Make it fast, and we have to discuss that as well. And the probability I was discussing, right? We'll continue that discussion. Equally likely event we have it. Equally likely event is nothing but like getting the same probability of all outcomes. So very pretty thing. Very simple actually. And yeah, unlike is nothing but the reverse to that. Okay, and there are so many things which you will be learning in class 11th and 12th, but we are so advanced in learning probability actually, so no problem at all. We'll just discuss on that as well. I think I have given example on that as well. Rolling a dice. When rolling a dice, what is the probability of getting 1 by 6, 2 1 by 6? If probability, if we are getting all outcomes probability as same, that is what called as equally likely event. Hope it is clear. Okay. ठीक है, that is equally likely event. Unlikely is nothing but like उल्टा पलटा zigzag adder. एक 1/6 आ रहा है, दो दूसरा वाला 4/6 आ रहा है, ऐसे zigzag adder आ रहा है ना, उसको बोलते हैं unlikely event. This is what the basic concept आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? This is what the thing where you have to focus on. Only this, that is the definition of equally likely event and unlikely event. ठीक है? Clear? Any doubts, guys? Can you hear me
No
clearly?
doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, this
No
is
doubt.
what, yeah, that is what the thing. Okay, so equally likely is nothing but what? Getting the same probability of all outcomes. Best example is what? Tossing a coin, rolling a die. Hope it is clear with everyone. Piyush.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, and there are mutually, there are so many like events that you can focus on. Okay, now I'll be discussing that in class 10th also, no problem, but so far whatever we have learned, that is so advanced. See, sometimes I feel that this is not required for you, so even it is not required, yeah, learning is fine, but even it is not required, if you go behind that, what happens is whatever you have now, so that might get disturbed, so that shouldn't happen here. Getting my point here? So whatever you have learned so far, that shouldn't get disturbed. See, you have like exhaustive events, mutually exclusive events, and equally likely events. All these things you will learn. Okay, there are exhaustive events. One more topic called exhaustive events and mutually exclusive events. All this are like very advanced concept. These are 11th standard topics actually. Okay, so will be, yeah, आपको like you just now just make sure that you are okay with equally likely event is nothing but getting an equal outcomes, getting an equal probability of all outcomes. That is what you just be clear with that. That is what I'm saying, that is somewhat advanced then whatever you have to learn. Okay, that is somewhat advanced than whatever you have to learn actually. Okay, so I hope I cleared everyone's phobia on the equally likely event. Shall we make a move forward now on
Yes, sir.
yes, chalo. First, we'll write circles, circles, circles. Piyush, you are saying you are taking much time to solve surface areas and volumes. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, not an issue, not a big deal. You see, we'll just write multiple quizzes and just make sure that we are, like improving in that. That is not a big deal, so no problem. We'll write it. Okay, I think there are similar questions. I'm finding a different quiz. So for whatever we haven't learned, so I'm just finding that circles. Almost all the quizzes, whatever we have here. So I think we have finished that. 1 second, circles, ninth grade, circles. We have so many circle quizzes, but they're standard, is it? There are 6th and 7th standard, 8th standard. I don't want to keep on that basic level. I just want to keep somewhat advanced level of questions to you all. So it would be somewhat advanced. It gives you somewhat confidence when you solve such type of advanced sums. So yeah, I'm just sharing the link to you all. Please join it immediately. Don't delay it. Okay, okay.
Sir, did you share the link?
Yeah, I'm like 1 second. Why? Yes. Yeah. So I shared the link. Everyone join me quickly. फटाफट join कीजिए everyone. Can you hear me clearly? Yeah, basically my I just like to talk somewhat slowly. I mean slowly and low with a low voice today. Since my I have some throat pain. That's why. Make it fast. Join it. Harini ji, Violet ji. Harini, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Why late?
So I was facing some net issues.
Facing net issues, ji. Join
Yes,
it.
sir.
Ji. Make it fast. Join it. Yes, I started it, and still 5 more guys has to join. Join it quickly. Finish it. You have 15 questions. Minimum 7 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes to finish this quiz. Everyone, come on, make it fast. Guys, everyone done it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Kavya, Piyush, Harini, top 3. Congratulations. Very good. Aditi 93. Okay, Pranav 93. Akshit 93. Very good, Akshit. Very good, Pranav. Let's see the result one by one. 1 second. Why, Sujay, you got less marks?
Sir, I didn't know how to do the equation once.
Okay, no problem. We'll just clarify that. Why, Hania, you got less? I mean, see, those who got less than.
No, I don't have circles chapter only in my portion, so no one taught me.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, and when I joined here, till then you already taught circles, and so that's why I got less.
No problem. You will work it upon. We'll make sure
Because
that.
I have ICC syllabus, mein we have trigonometry, logarithms, and all. We have next year circles. It seems we do have it now, but it's like we don't have all of this.
Acha, right. It's not a big deal. No problem. It's a very easy, pretty easy. See.
Sir, the equations I have doubts, sir. Can you explain it?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
Everything we'll just discuss it now. No problem. Okay, Devasri, I think why you got less, Devasri? Devasri, are you here?
Sir, I was having network issues, sir. I was also disconnecting with this, sir. Right now I'm at home, sir. I'll just start again.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Actually, I was out right now, so it was glitching, sir. That's why I could not write my quiz properly.
Okay. Right, right. Okay, can you see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Now,
Started screen.
Yes, sir, we
Yeah,
can.
now it came.
Yes, sir. Now
yeah. So which are the following names radius? Which is radius?
DB.
DB. See,
DB.
see
DB,
here.
sir.
Yeah, 1 second. I just ask the people, they only should answer it. So Sujay, those who are look at this here, the people who got less than 70%, I mean less than 80%, they must answer to the questions whichever I'm asking. The rest of the people, if at all you have doubts, you can just call me in between. But let's give more chance to the people who got less than 80%. Okay, you understood my point? Okay, so let's here we are here to get 100 out of 100. Everyone must get 100 out of 100. Yes. So how much you got? It's 100. If someone asks you, then you must say that 100 out of 100. That's you should be crystal clear in that. You should be supremely confident in such concept. Like whatever the topic, whatever the question it gives you, you must be in a position to understand it well manner. So that is what the basic funda of our organization and everything. So yeah, so we'll give a chance, we'll give a more chance to the people who got less than 80. Okay, so yeah, and the people, I don't want to call your names again and again. Those who got less than 80%, you have to answer from your side, or else I have to call your name. So it will not be good again and again calling your name, so it is a waste of time, I feel. So you just from your side, you take it a initiative and just answer the question. Okay, right? Next. So which of the following names is a diameter?
AC.
Sir, AC.
A and C, sir.
Very good. Very simple. And what is a part of the circle highlighted in the red?
Semicircle.
Semicircular arc.
Semicircle. Okay, very good. That is a very good actually. Yeah. What is a part of the circle highlighted
Minor
in
arc.
red color? Minor arc.
Minor arc.
Yeah. The big from A to C, whatever they have highlighted in a black color. That is what? What is that? See, B to C. The rest of the thing is what? Major arc. Am I clear?
Major.
Yeah.
So then what is sector?
सी यार देखो सेक्टर मैंने आपको ऐसे पढ़ाया था ना, देखो मैंने स्क्रीन पे लिखूंगा एक बार, हाईलाइट एवरीथिंग. ठीक है, वन
So sector is your area, right?
आई जस्ट 1 सेकंड, आई जस्ट गिव इट यू. मुझे थोड़ा स्क्रीन शेयर करके लेट मी राइट. देखो 1 सेकंड, let me share the one note. I'll write there so that आपको समझ में. तो एक मिनट, just give me 5 seconds. Yeah, now I'm writing here. Look at this. If आपके पास ये सर्किल है, ठीक है, you have a circle like this. 1 second, you have a circle like this. ठीक है, I told multiple times, I am repeating again. Look at this. See, आपको ये diameter होता है, this में diameter, ठीक है, from this end to this end. Okay, this end to this end is diameter. Okay, this is my chord. What is this? Chord. This is my chord, not chord. दही नहीं बोलते, chord. ठीक है, this is diameter. ठीक है. And if I draw a line, what is this? Anyone of anyone can answer this.
Tangent.
Tangent. That is
Tangent.
great. Perfect. बेटा. Tangent का मतलब होता है if at all I just draw a line by touching a circle at one point. अगर मैंने एक सर्किल को एक पॉइंट पे टच करते हुए एक लाइन को ड्रा करता हूँ, उसको बोलते हैं tangent. समझ में आ रहा है? In only one point the line is touching, so that is a tangent. अगर मैंने इसको नहीं tangent बोल सकता हूँ, ठीक है, ये tangent नहीं होता है. ठीक है, tangent का मतलब देखो एक ही पॉइंट पे टच करना एक लाइन, दैट इज व्हाट द टेंजेंट. होप इट इज क्लियर विद एवरीवन. हाँ, मेरे पास secant क्या होता है? What is a secant here? Now this is my secant. This is my secant here. ठीक है?
So what is secant?
ये देखो, drawing a line देखो, ऐसा ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ ना मैंने. Secant is this one.
Without
ठीक है?
any points, sir.
हाँ, it is not the point. देखो, and you are, let me draw a let me draw everything and just explain you. This is a chord, and what is this? This, if I draw something like this, देखो, ये होता है मेरा, क्या होता है? What is this?
God.
हाँ, you can say this is a tangent and you can say segment as well. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Let me
Yeah, we can go.
segment.
Sir, but it can't be called as tangent, right?
Which one?
This
Which
blue
one?
color.
This blue color, it can't be tangent. Tangent is nothing but it should touch a circle to only one point. Is nothing. You understand my point?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Let me draw somewhat neatly here. This is chord, I said, right? This is chord. ठीक है. Chord is nothing but chord of a circle is a straight line segment whose end points both lies on a circle. Let me know circular arc. Oh, एक minute कहाँ हो? See, it is lying on. देखो, ये end points है ना? This is end points of chord. Am I correct? These are the end points of chord. They are lying on the circumference of the circle. That is what the chord here. ठीक है? हाँ. Now, if at all I say, look at this here. If at all I have circle, this one. ठीक है? This is my. Now I have two. Let's say that you have 2 points here. Here 1 point, let's say x, and here 1 point. You have end points. What is this? Is my chord now. ठीक है? This is my chord. ठीक है? आ रहा है समझ में? Hello.
हाँ sir.
हाँ. Then segment. What do you mean by segment? Anyone of you can define the segment?
So the area enclosed within an chord is known as segment.
Segment. देखो, area enclosed है ना? देखो, this is my circle here. This is my circle. Now if I see, this is my inside है ना? This one. Whatever the area, look at this. Chord is nothing but this is my chord. Chord is nothing but their end points should lie on the circumference of the circle. That is chord. Segment is nothing but देखो, ये मेरा होगा segment अंदर वाला. ठीक है? ये minor segment है, ये major segment. ठीक है? Major segment. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? Minor segment and major segment. Segment of a circle is nothing but what? Whatever the region we are bonding with the chord. ठीक है? Chord. See, whatever the region we are bonding with the chord is segment. ठीक है? आपको समझ में आ रहा है बेटा? Any doubts here? Hello. See,
No doubt, sir.
I
this is
have
my
a
chord.
doubt.
1 second. This is my chord, right? This is my chord. This is my chord, right? Here I'm area and bonding with what? This area, right? This area is bonding with what? Chord only, right? एक chord से ही तो बंद हो रहा है. तो that is my segment. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है आपको? ये मेरा होगा segment. ठीक है? हाँ. This is my minor segment. इसको बोलता हूँ मैंने minor segment. Minor. And ये होगा मेरा major. Major segment. All right, people? Yes. Yes, Piyush.
So my doubt is like, if a line passes through the circle, like it goes inside the circle, but it does not touch the center or any other point. It's just like one end is the circle's circumference, other end is just blank. So what do you call it? Is it a tangent? Because it only passes
Can you
once.
please repeat? Can you please repeat once? Let me draw the circle. ठीक है? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
draw the circle so that everyone can understand. Yes. Can you please tell me now what should I do here? Tell me your question so that I'll just draw it. What is
Yes,
my
sir.
circle?
So, sir, sir, you can take any point on the circumference
Okay, I'm taking here. Perfect.
and then just extend it, but not towards the center, not till the center, but towards it.
Towards it, like this.
Yes, sir, but not exactly in the center. Yes, sir. So
इसका
what do you
नाम
call
ही इसका नाम कोई नहीं है, कुछ नाम नहीं है. अगर आपने फाइंड आउट किया तो आप मैथमेटिशियन बन जाओगे. इसका नाम कुछ नहीं है. अगर सेंटर से आप, if I'm drawing like this from the center, that is radius. ठीक है. What are the things we have in a circle is, देखो मैंने जो भी लिख रहा हूँ here, these are the terminologies they have introduced. Tangent हो गया, secant हो गया, diameter हो गया, chord हो गया,
So
radius हो
because
गया.
tangent definition is said, right, it only passes through one point of the circle.
Yeah.
So I thought
No,
like
no.
tangent.
Yeah. No. Yes, you are right. Your doubt is right. Is valid doubt. But that tangent should be outside of the circle. वो inside नहीं जा सकता. ठीक है? समझ में आ रहा है? That shouldn't be inside. It should be outside. From the outside of the circle, it should touch one point. ठीक है? From the outside of the circle, it should touch it only one point. That is tangent. These are the terminologies. And one more terminology is called as normal. Normal is nothing but if I draw a perpendicular. ठीक है? If I draw a perpendicular to normal, देखो ये मेरा ये center हो गया ना, this is my center, am I right? This is center. If I draw a perpendicular to this tangent, वो हो गया normal. This is my normal now.
Okay, sir.
This is my tangent. This is advanced concept. आप you will be learning in 11th standard. ठीक है? नहीं normal ये मेरा tangent. ठीक है? What is normal here? If I draw a perpendicular line to tangent, ये भी circle होगा, ये tangent होगा. If I draw a perpendicular line like this, ये normal हो गया. ये normal हमेशा center through pass करता है. ठीक है? The normal whenever I draw, that should always pass through the center. That is the concept of normal and tangent here. Okay, ठीक है.
Yes,
so
sir.
ये segment, chord, diameter, normal, tangent, secant यही होता है. इससे ज्यादा कोई टर्मिनोलॉजी सर्किल में नहीं है. अगर जो भी है अपने लेकिन हायर स्टैंडर्ड में सीखोगे. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. This is a segment. Hope it is clear. So ये आपको like अच्छे से समझ में आना चाहिए. Chord क्या होता है, segment क्या होता है, diameter क्या होता है, secant क्या होता है, tangent क्या होता है, normal क्या होता है. हाँ, I mean normal तो आपका अभी in 10th standard you will not learn. I mean in 9th standard you will not learn. Like probably in upcoming classes you will be learning 11th or 10th. Okay, ठीक है. So this is what you must know here. Hope it is clear. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
ठीक है. Secant of what is secant of the circle here? See, secant is nothing but it
A
is
line that passes through the circle.
line passes through a circle at two distinct points. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Two distinct point. A line which is passing through a circle at a two distinct point is secant. ठीक है? Chord क्या होता है? इसका end point इस पे circumference पे होना. That is chord. Segment क्या होता है? The area which is bounded by the chord. That is segment. This is what pretty clear with everyone. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Hania, you have learned circles. आपको ये पता होगा तो सब कुछ पता लेकिन हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
Yes,
This is
sir.
what the basic knowledge you must have in circles. ठीक है. हाँ, देखो अभी देखो ये क्या हुआ. ये minor arc होगा मेरा. This is red color one. Minor arc. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what is a part of the circle
Major
highlighted
arc.
in red color? Major arc. with the very लड्डू सवाल है. ठीक है. The chord is a segment that connects. देखो मुझे बताइए. Chord क्या होता है? Two end points of two circle. I mean two end points of the circle. That is what chord. ठीक है. Any doubt, people? Okay, no
No,
one
sir.
has made a mistake here. Everyone.
Whatever.
So an angle whose vertex lies on a circle and whose sides are chords of a circle. हाँ.
Inscribed angle.
देखो an angle. देखो how many of you understood this? An angle whose vertex. What is vertex?
Select the arm.
मैंने क्या बता रहा हूँ? Angle whose vertex lies on the circle and whose sides are chords of a circle. It is what inscribed angle. How many of you know this? How many
I
of you
was
know?
not knowing, sir.
Then how did you write this?
Sir, first I did wrong and then I reattempt.
You guessed it?
No, sir.
So
First I
redemption.
thought it was central angle and then after that it was wrong. So I did inscribed angle.
So oh, is it do you have option, such option like that? You can.
Yes, sir. Like you can.
So
That
twice
is
or
redemption.
once you do
Redemption.
get that.
No. I'm saying that. No.
At the
I
end of
know
the
that.
quiz, they'll give an option for
Yeah.
you to attempt your mistake.
Yeah, they will not give immediately the answer to you, right?
No,
No,
sir.
sir. Like if you make it wrong, they'll give you the answer, and
Yes,
again at
sir.
the last.
Yeah,
they'll
it
give
will
you
show which is correct one.
Oh, then which is correct one? Then उसका फायदा क्या है फिर क्विज लिखने में? समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
answer. Learn from your mistakes.
Yeah, learning from the mistake is fine, but yeah, whatever you just say the first time, that should be your final answer. You can't see the answer and
Yes,
reattempt
sir.
it. ऐसे
Yeah.
देखो.
Sir, there's an option to disable it if you want.
Oh, अच्छा.
Like the same way you disable the power ups, right? There's a thing called reattempt question or something like that.
Okay, okay, okay. So no problem. So
Sir,
please,
but
guys.
what about if we misclicked, like गलती से we clicked on something else?
ओके, हाँ, वो तो इट इज कम्प्लीटली इन योर कंट्रोल, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट, वो आपके हाथ में है, ठीक है। यू हैव टू जस्ट यू लाइक वो इट इज कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड्स ऑन दैट हाउ यू आर हैविंग कंट्रोल ऑन योर क्विज। समझ में आ रहा है? हाउ यू आर केयरिंग योर क्विज, आई मीन लाइक हाउ मच यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ व्हाइल राइटिंग द क्विज और सम एग्जाम, दैट इज कम्प्लीटली योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ठीक है। गलती से भी ये गलत वैसा ये है ना, ये सब इट इज योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेक केयर ऑफ। हमने कितना ध्यान से करेंगे तो उतना उतना फायदा उठाएंगे हम लोग, ठीक है। हाँ, लुक एट दिस एन एंगल, इसका क्या होता है, ये सर्किल होगा, मैंने लेट मी ड्रॉ द डायग्राम, आपको समझाऊंगा, ठीक है। दिस इज अ डायग्राम, ठीक है। हाँ, सी व्हाट इज सेइंग हियर, एंगल हुज वर्टेक्स लाइज ऑन द सर्किल, ठीक है। हुज वर्टेक्स, वर्टेक्स का मतलब देखो, ये मेरा ये होगा मेरा वर्टेक्स, ठीक है। इसका वर्टेक्स है ना, इट इज लाइंग ऑन द सर्किल लाइक दिस, ठीक है। here this vertex is lying on the circle, okay, this is my angle, okay, lies in the circle and whose sides are chords, इसका sides है ना, ये chord ही होगा ना, these are chords, you can say that or else you say simply chords nothing but, oh एक minute, okay, these are chords, ठीक है। this some angle here, some angle you have, some let's say alpha, some alpha angle you have, ठीक है। what is that, it is what, it is an inscribed angle only, right, ठीक है, ठीक है people, that is inscribed angle, that is called, that can't be central angle, that can't be r, that can't be radius, of course inscribed angle, ठीक है। now a line that intersect the circle exactly one point, क्या होता है, tangent तो होता है, isn't it, very simple, hope I think one guy has made a mistake here, बेटा secant नहीं होता, बेटा secant का मतलब a line passing through the circle at a two distinct point, a line touching the circle at two distinct point क्या होता है, secant होता है, that secant passes through inside when through inside the circle, tangent ऐसे नहीं करेगा, tangent क्या होगा, outside at one touching at one point, ठीक है। समझ में आ रहा है guys the student who has made a mistake here please realize that,
Yes, sir.
no, okay, right, an angle whose vertex is the center of a circle, the central angle, center में होगा तो central angle, ठीक है। an angle whose vertex is the center, अगर end पे है तो that is inscribed angle, अगर center पे तो central angle, just now we have seen, right, okay, this is central, I mean this is inscribed, center पे होगा तो central angle, ठीक है। next the equation, हाँ बाबा, this is a beautiful question, you have to take care of this 11th standard question, ठीक है। हाँ, ये
That's
बहुत
what, sir, we are getting
no
11th standard question.
Sir, you can teach the beautiful concept
yeah, it's
in
a
this
very
class,
good
right,
concept.
sir?
No,
Sir,
it's
I didn't understand like what's the need of this.
yeah,
Sir, I just guessed it and I got it.
no, I'll explain you.
Sir,
I'll
I know the
explain.
concept behind this, but I don't know like how it helps in real life. Like
Yeah,
graphing and all understood.
no problem. Let me मुझे explain करना
Sir,
है.
like this, there are more 4 questions.
Okay, no problem. I'll just explain. You just need not to worry. You guys don't worry about it. मुझे
Maybe it helps in architecture
1 second.
and constructions.
मुझे ये बताओ, हाँ वो सही है। ओहो 1 मिनट। For behind this, like you should know the standard form of the circle. सर्किल का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म क्या होता है एंड उसका सेंटर, अलग अलग सेंटर कुड बी एनीथिंग, राइट, सेंटर कुड बी ओरिजिन, सेंटर कुड बी क्या होता है, सेंटर कुड बी एनी पॉइंट, इट कैन बी ओरिजिन, इट कैन बी कांस्टेंट, एनी कांस्टेंट, राइट, ऐसा डिफरेंट सेंटर हो सकता है ना सर्किल का, isn't it? There are possibility of having different centers of a circle. So अगर centers, I mean sorry, अलग अलग centers होने पे उसका equation बदल जाता है। अगर center is 0,0, then what is the standard form of that particular circle? अगर center एक constant है तो उसका standard form क्या है, ये सब लोग हमें सीखेंगे कहाँ, 11th standard में। मैंने अभी आपको I'll give a rough idea, you will solve all this question, I'm sure.
The basic thing is like x minus whatever coordinate whole square plus y minus whatever coordinate whole square is equal to radius square. Like that's the basic formula.
The basic formula.
And sir, the opposite sign of the coordinates, like -2 to +2 and
Yes, sir.
the minus
Because of
sign.
minus sign, that's why. Yeah.
Yeah. Let me just explain 1 second. हाँ, okay. Next, only 15 questions. Am I correct? Yeah, 15 questions. देखो ये beautiful concept. Let's enjoy this concept. ठीक है? आपके पास ये है ना concept देखो. An equation. This is my circle here. This is my circle given. हाँ. And the radius of the circle क्या होता है? Radius of the circle is what? 2 here. What is the radius of the circle? 2 here.
2.
How you are saying 2? देखो मैंने आपको बताऊंगा, आपको फिर से देखो बताऊंगा. देखो how you are saying, sir, how you are saying this radius is a 2 here. Look at this. आपके पास ये सर्किल है, ठीक है, आपके पास ये सर्किल है. You have this circle. हो एक मिनट, let me just, yeah, you have this circle and इसका सेंटर कुछ भी है, ठीक है, h comma k, let's say I have a center called h comma k, any constant, ठीक है, and I have a point somewhere here, somewhere have a point. This my center, I'm denoting with a c. c को मैंने क्या किससे डिनोट कर रहा हूँ? c, I mean like सेंटर को c से डिनोट कर रहा हूँ, ये p है, दिस में रेडियस, ठीक है. हाँ देखो, अगर ये पॉइंट, I don't know any point, let me take a point called p of x comma y. I don't know, I have some point, a circle passing through a point called x comma y. That circle, ये circle है ना, it is passing through a point p of x comma y. Then what is the general equation of this circle? ठीक है, what is the general equation of that circle? Guys, basically it is not required for your concept, but still, you know, people are interested to teach, so that is, let me give only formula, ठीक है. हाँ, general equation of the circle x square plus y square is equal to r square. अगर ये सर्किल है, दिस सर्किल इक्वेशन, अगर ये सर्किल है तो इसका सेंटर क्या होगा? लेट और एल्स यू राइट जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ द सर्किल, मुझे x माइनस एच होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस के होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर. सर मुझे ये इक्वेशन कैसा मिला? हाउ डिड यू गेट दिस इक्वेशन? व्हाट इज द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस? प्रूफ यू विल बी लर्निंग इन क्लास 11, तो नो प्रॉब्लम, बट प्रूफ देखो मैं प्रूफ भी बता देता हूँ. Like I'll just give a hint to prove this. देखो distance between C and P, that's it, and squaring on both sides. What is the distance between C and P denotes here? Distance between C and P is what? CP is what here? What is CP?
Radius.
Radius.
So radius,
Of course. CP is equal to radius, right? CP distance between C and P is what? You will get here
Radius.
is equal to R. Squaring on both sides करोगे तो हम लोग के फॉर्म में मिल जाएगा. That is what simple proof, isn't it?
Yes.
That is a simple proof. You can just drive that.
Yes.
This is my standard equation of, I mean, general equation of the circle. See, what is the h here? What is h comma k here? H comma k is what? Center. Center is h comma k, and what is radius here? Radius is equal to r. ठीक है. हाँ, अगर बेटा देखो, what he is asking for? What he is asking for? He is asking for, you know, radius. तो मेरे पास radius is what here? 4. 4 रेडियस मुझे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म से कंपेयर करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? r स्क्वायर इज इक्वल 4. r स्क्वायर इज इक्वल 4, देन r इज इक्वल व्हाट? 2. खत्म. सो रेडियस इज 2. हाउ इजी इट इज गाइस. आपको ये फॉर्मूला पता है तो isn't it a easy question?
Yes sir, very.
Isn't
So
it?
this formula is for like every equation.
ये देखो मैंने बताऊंगा, देखेंगे हम लोग फिर से क्या है, देखेंगे. हाँ, व्हाट इज द सेंटर एंड रेडियस ऑफ द सर्किल. हाँ देखो, इसका सेंटर बताइए मुझे. व्हाट इज द सेंटर हियर? हमने कंपेयर करेंगे किससे? x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. हाँ, हमारा मैथ्स टीचर ने बताया था सेंटर क्या था? h comma k. h का व्हाट इज h हियर?
-4.
नॉट 4
4.
बेटा, 4 देखो, h is 4 here. what is k here?
2.
-2. देखो इधर प्लस है ना बेटा, इधर माइनस चाहिए मुझे. ठीक है, इसको कैसे लिखूंगा मैंने? हाउ कैन आई राइट दिस? x minus 4 whole square y plus -2 whole square. am I correct? Sorry,
y minus
y minus of -2 whole square. ठीक है. हाँ, is equal to r square. r square is nothing but 5 square. Now can you compare this equation with x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to
So
r square.
y plus na, y plus k square.
No, y minus k, इधर भी माइनस इधर भी माइनस, दोनों जगह पे माइनस लिखना है. ठीक है.
Sir,
Okay.
but minus is plus.
No, minus plus, you know, I'm just modifying this equation as like this. ठीक है, मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैंने ये हमने whatever the equation given here I'm writing ऐसा.
Yes, sir.
क्यों मतलब why I'm writing like that? To compare with the general form. देखो इधर compare करो, h, what is h value? 4. what is the k value here? -2. what is the r value here? 5. तो रेडियस का वैल्यू क्या है इधर? what is the radius?
5.
रेडियस इज इक्वल 5. देखो आंसर खत्म. सेंटर ये हो गया, रेडियस ये हो गया. दैट इज ऑप्शन. दैट इज योर आंसर. Isn't it an easy question, guys?
Yes, sir, very easy.
हाँ देखो, अभी देखो, what is the center of this equation? What is the center of this circle equation?
Center is 0.
Very good, fantastic. How 0? देखो बेटा, इसको मैंने कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? Can I write in a standard form? x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 1 square.
Yes, sir.
तो मेरा सेंटर क्या होगा? What is the center here now?
0.
Compare with the standard form. What is h comma k here?
0, comma
I
0.
need an answer from every one of you, not from one or two members. I need an answer from every one of you. What is center here? H is what?
0.
What is K what? So
Zero,
H comma
K
K is
zero.
what?
0.
So
Zero,
center
sir.
is nothing but what? H comma K, right? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
0,
Zero
Yes,
and
0, comma
0.
That
0.
is your answer. That is your answer.
Zero.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes.
So what did you
Sir,
understand now?
the next one is -4. Next one is 4, 0.
Perfect. देखो what he has given here. So इसको मैंने क्या कर रहा हूँ? Y square can it be written as y minus 0 whole square? Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
X minus 4 whole square plus this one is equal to 5. ठीक है. What is the center now? What is center now?
4 plus 4, comma
4
0.
comma 0. What is the radius?
5.
Root 5, not 5. Root 5 कैसा? Root 5 कैसा? इधर देखो बेटा. R square is equal to 5, right? इधर मेरा R square is equal to 5 ना बेटा. R क्या होगा? Root 5 ना.
Yeah.
देखो इसको कंपेयर कीजिए किससे? स्टैंडर्ड इक्वेशन से. लुक एट दिस. कंपेयर दिस थिंग विद द स्टैंडर्ड सर्किल इक्वेशन. इज इक्वल आर स्क्वायर. देखो x माइनस एच होल स्क्वायर के जगह में ये है, y माइनस के जगह में ये है, तो आर स्क्वायर के जगह में क्या है? 5 है. तो आर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 5, देन आर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? रूट 5. ठीक है, आया समझ? कोई डाउट?
Sir, I have one doubt though. Sir, using this equation, when we graph it, it'll be like so this coordinates h and k. Are they like the point, any point on the circumference, or what are
No,
they?
it is center. H comma k is the center of the circle. समझ में आ रहा है? It is not point.
Okay.
It is center. Center कहाँ होता है? अंदर लेकिन बीच में होता है ना, वो that is center, not point. Point अलग है, center अलग है. ठीक है, समझ रहे हो ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, or there x and y have a max infinite number of solutions, right?
Yeah.
You know there.
Yeah. So the उधर x minus वो that is represents the equation actually. And कभी भी whenever he gives you a circle passes through a point, then you have to take a point on the circle, Piyush and Bhargav. You understood? As per your doubt, if he is giving a point on a circle, then you can take a point anywhere on the circle. On the circumference of the circle, you can take anywhere. Okay. So there is no compulsion that you have to take a specific point on the circumference of the circle. There is no specification like that. Okay, you can take anywhere in the circle. ठीक है. हाँ, write the equation of the circle with the center. देखो मेरे पास center है. देखो what is the equation of the circle? What is the equation of the circle formula? Minus h whole square.
X minus 7 whole square plus y square is equal to
Whole
3.
square. R square. Radius 3 दिया है तो center what? Center is what here? H comma k. Am I correct?
Yes.
R value is what? 3. Substitute these things here. So x minus h. What is h here? Tell me.
7.
7 whole square. So y minus 0 whole square is
Y
equal to r
minus
square.
0.
R value is what? 3 square. तो इसको simplify कीजिए. A square plus B square minus 14x. Am I clear with everyone, guys? This is y square. This is 9. 3 square is 9. Am I correct? X square plus y square minus 14x plus 0y plus 0y. ठीक है. 49 minus कितना? 9 तो 40. This is my circle equation. Am I clear? अगर आपने देखो ऐसा लिखेंगे तो भी करेक्ट हो जाएगा, उसको एक्सपेंड करेंगे तो मुझे ये मिलेगा. ठीक है. दिस वन इज आल्सो करेक्ट बेटा. इसको थोड़ा एक्सपेंड कर लेंगे तो ये मिल जाएगा मुझे. Am I correct with everyone?
Sir, is it compulsory to expand?
It is not a compulsion, but in class 11th it is a very compulsion to expand that. आपके ऑप्शन के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. ठीक है. It is completely depends on the options how you have there. ठीक है. If it is
Okay, sir.
like an expanded version, then you have to expand. Then if it is not an expanded version, let it be as it is. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last question, beta. Everyone getting my point here? Aditya, Harini.
Sir, I have
Sujay.
one more doubt. Sir.
Yes, let us finish this
Yes,
and we will go further out. Write the
Okay.
standard equation of a circle with the center. देखो standard equation of the circle क्या होता है? फिर से वही फॉर्मूला लगाओ. देखो x minus h whole square and y minus. Aditya, are you listening to the class? Is equal to r square.
Yes, sir.
ठीक, what is the center? here?
Same before question only, right?
Exactly. Yeah, Shreyan. So this is my radius here. R is equal to 7. Substitute here. What
Root
will be
7.
Plus 2
So x minus
whole
not root
square
7, not root
mi-
7.
Sir,
Radius.
7 square.
H is what here? Minus 2.
H is minus 2.
So y minus k. K is
y
what here?
minus
5
5 whole
5
square
is equal to not 7, sir.
7.
7.
The
7
7,
square. Okay.
square.
So x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is
5
equal
whole
to
square is equal to 49.
तो expand कीजिए इसको. 4 plus 4
plus y is
25 minus 10y.
sir.
is
How
equal to
4x?
2ab, right?
49.
Oh, okay.
2a into b formula.
Okay,
to the 4x. I
A
mean,
plus B whole square formula.
A plus B whole square formula. So x square plus y square plus 4x then 10y. ठीक है, and what is the constant? 29 plus 29
29 is
minus
equal to
49.
20.
49 is equal to 0. तो x square plus y square plus 4x minus 10y minus 20 is equal to 0. ये हो गया मैं सर्किल इक्वेशन. ये भी करेक्ट है, मगर उसको एक्सपेंड कर लेंगे तो ये मिल जाएगा मुझे. Isn't it? Very simple. Yes, Piyush, you can ask your doubt. Let's wind up the session. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. So, like, what is the use of this, sir? Because if you want to know radius or something, then you can just directly say it to the person, right? Like real life application.
I didn't get your point. What is a real life application of this one?
Yes, sir.
Real life application of this is nothing but circle. देखो अगर तू एक plane ले लो, you have a plane here, ठीक है? You have a plane here. Imagine you have a plane. On the plane you have a circle, ठीक है? उस circle का center at what coordinate you have? कैसा पता चलेगा आपको? ठीक है? For knowing that कहाँ पे सर्किल है, it is where it is lying, what exactly the size of the circle, किससे पता चलता है आपको? रेडियस से ही पता चलता है. उसका सेंटर कहाँ है, कहाँ पे लाई करता है, तो किससे पता चलता है आपको? सेंटर से ही ना. लेट्स से यू आर स्टेइंग इन द रूम राइट नाउ, ठीक है? यू आर इन द रूम, यू आर सिटिंग समवेयर इन द टेबल, ठीक है? ठीक है, आपका रूम का सेंटर कहाँ है इधर, ठीक है? उसको व्हाट आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ दैट योर रूम, कैसा पता चलेगा आपको? डायमेंशन लेंगे तो पता चलेगा ना. एवरीवेयर इन्वॉल्विंग, वी आर इन्वॉल्विंग everywhere, mathematics is there in our daily life, but without even realizing ourselves, we are just using mathematics in our daily life. So that is what the basic application आपको, like this is a very easy concept. You'll be learning again in class 11th, don't worry. ठीक है? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is class 11th topic.
Yes, this is 11th topic. So we got a concept, yeah. You have in class 11th only the circle equation and you'll be having class 11, but we got a situation, so I just taught you. No problem. But this and all will not come for your exam. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you, beta. I have a class at already. It's been 3 minutes late, so let's retire now. We'll meet.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Have a
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you, sir.
Happy Republic Day, sir.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Happy Republic Day.
Thank you. Same to you.